10 Ways MBA Helps in Achieving Career Goals. No matter who you are or what industry you are in, it's important to set goals for your career. Career goals keep us moving forward, prevent us from getting stuck or stagnant, and give us something bigger than ourselves to work toward. An MBA degree is required to secure a lucrative career in the ever-increasingly competitive and demanding job market. An MBA degree leads to a wide range of employment prospects and also puts students on a path that helps them fulfill their full career potential. So, if you want to progress your career, an MBA is the path you should take. There are several ways in which obtaining an MBA degree might assist you in attaining your career objectives and being successful. In 2023, over 92% of organizations chose to recruit MBA graduates over others. In this article, we will discuss the 10 ways an MBA may help you achieve your career goals. Without further ado, let us begin discussing each of them. Number 1. Better business understanding. The most significant features of earning an MBA are educational and professional progress. An MBA, with knowledge in areas such as marketing, finance, accounting, data science, and others, may prepare students to significantly accelerate corporate growth. Because of a firm foundation, the students become capable of facing and overcoming any problems that a business may provide. They may also learn from some of the brightest business brains and experts who offer their knowledge through extensive presentations. An MBA program's learning extends well beyond the classroom and includes experiential learning with real-time projects from actual firms. Number 2. Improved teamwork and leadership. Understanding the intricacies necessary to become a leader and manage a team are regarded crucial to success. Students can become adept in improving these abilities while pursuing an MBA through a variety of activities. I also believe that students may learn to inspire, encourage, and influence people around them, and that these talents can eventually be applied to one's work. Most significantly, students learn leadership and teamwork, which are two of the most crucial abilities that companies seek for when it comes to accomplishing professional objectives. Number 3. Management skills. If you want to succeed in your work, developing excellent management abilities is essential. After earning an MBA, you will have the necessary management and leadership abilities to form effective teams. Progression to managerial roles can also result in increased job satisfaction and financial stability. With the development of management abilities, advancement may come rapidly while also assisting you in achieving your goals. Number 4. Further your knowledge. An MBA degree allows students to learn knowledge that will help them advance in a variety of jobs. You may learn about how business hierarchies work in conjunction with day-to-day operations, social and cultural settings, and changing demographics. You will learn analytical, critical thinking, and research abilities that are essential for commercial success. Furthermore, you will discover new ways of improving a company's operations, profit margins, and, ultimately, your own career. Number 5. Networking skills. When you earn your MBA from a reputable college, you will be able to make contacts that will help your career. You will be able to collaborate along the way and establish long-lasting relationships that will help you succeed, in addition to the experience of professors and classmates. An MBA school often accepts students from varied backgrounds so that they may connect with like-minded learners from across the world and develop a deeper knowledge of other cultural viewpoints. This will assist you in becoming a corporate management and leadership strategy specialist. Number 6. Communication skills. The capacity to convey your thoughts is seen as critical for accomplishing your job objectives. Regardless of the sector, a lack of communication may cost you time and money. Remote connection with your lecturers and peers may greatly improve your teamwork abilities. Whatever industry you want to succeed in, having professional writing and speaking abilities is essential, and an MBA is the ideal degree to strengthen your communication. Number 7. Deep critical thinking skills. Every problem that arises in the modern world has a gray answer. An MBA may teach a person how to recognize gray areas by strengthening critical thinking abilities. During an MBA program, the experiences gained inside and outside of the classroom assist a person to refine their capacity to analyze and evaluate any assignment they are charged with. This is a talent that will help you advance in your job. Number 8. Wide career opportunities. An MBA may assist someone who is just starting out in their profession get an excellent start for thriving in administrative and management jobs. With sufficient experience, all applicants can eventually advance to the top ranks of the world's most popular companies and organizations. MBA graduates are viewed as a competitive asset by employers. As a result, MBA graduates benefit more from their companies and are compensated more. An MBA graduate's skill sets are identifiable, which is why they are a good fit for leadership positions. Number 9. Promising career scope. MBA experts are in high demand and will continue to be so in the future. As a result of the usefulness of an MBA degree and the breadth of information it provides, MBA professionals may make straightforward job changes. In comparison to other master's degrees, MBA holders can find relevant employment across numerous sectors and even start their own firms. At last, number 10. Entrepreneurial Mindset. The most advanced professional path available to you after earning an MBA is that of an entrepreneur. An MBA program is aimed to help students learn how businesses operate. If you have a solid company concept, an MBA degree will teach you how to handle marketing and consultancy. You may come in and take command of your company as it grows significantly. Conclusion. We hope you now understand how an MBA degree may help you reach your professional goals. With an MBA, you may work in your ideal firm and employ the greatest individuals to work for you while reaching new heights of success. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.